Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Printful fulfillment setup with Shopify product mapping detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Printful to find the Printful app. Click on the Printful app from the search results. On the Printful app page, click the Add App button. Authorize the app to access your Shopify store. Next, you will be redirected to the Printful dashboard. Here, create a Printful account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your Printful account details. After your account is set up, return to the Printful dashboard. Now, click on the Stores tab to integrate your Shopify store. Select Add a Store, then choose the Shopify option. You will be prompted to connect your Shopify store. Follow the instructions provided to complete the connection. Once your store is connected, go to the Product Templates section. Here, click on Create Product to start adding items. Choose the type of product you want to sell. Customize your product by uploading artwork and adjusting settings. After finalizing your product design, click Proceed to Mockups. Select mockup styles that best showcase your product. Once satisfied, click Proceed to Details to add product information. Fill in the product title, description, and pricing details. After entering product information, click Proceed to Shipping. Set up the shipping options according to your preferences. Next, click on Add to Store to publish the product on Shopify. Repeat this process for any additional products you want to add. To map your products, return to the Printful dashboard and select Product Sync. Here, you can view products that need to be mapped to Shopify. Click on the Connect button next to each product that needs mapping. Follow the prompts to match your Printful products with your Shopify listings. Once all products are mapped, check your Shopify store to ensure they appear correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.